Let's face it, we all have clothes in our closet that we never wear. But what if cleaning out your closet meant something more? Those clothes that are of no value to you can change the lives in our community. Bag up all those unwanted clothes and bring them to a Rescue Mission donation center. Visit cleanthatcloset.com to find one near you. The attendant at the donation center then sorts your goods and sends them off on a Rescue Mission truck. Bonus! Donations are tax deductible. Your attendant will provide you with a receipt for your records. Next up is the Rescue Mission Donation Redistribution Center, where all donations are sorted as sellable and unsellable. And remember, what we can't sell, we recycle. So although gently used clothing is preferred, ripped and stained clothes still help your neighbors in need because they're sold to be recycled. No worries, we take it all. Now, once the clothes are sorted, they're then hung and affordably priced, and then transported off to one of our 14 Thrifty Shoppers store locations. Staff and volunteers then stock the store, making it easy for shoppers to find great deals quickly. What was once hanging in your closet collecting dust is now being used to help support important programs offered by the Rescue Mission. Proceeds from your donated goods now offer a safe place to stay for individuals and families who are homeless. Or they provide a meal for someone who might otherwise go without. So when you clean out your closet, it's a big deal to a lot of people. So thank you for helping to change lives.
To all the people who support the Rescue Mission, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can't thank you enough.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do it for you. Do it for your neighbors. Bag up all those unwanted clothes and bring them to a Rescue Mission donation center. Visit cleanthatcloset.com to find one near you.